Welcome to my channel, Kids Fun and Learn. Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, Kids Fun and Learn. Today I'm gonna show you how to make a doll's house out of cardboard and paper. So let's get started. So the first thing you need is scissors, and adults use scissors, okay? And that's even more dangerous than scissors. It's a knife. And of course we need some tape to fix things or like join apart things. And we got glue. This is actually my favorite glue, so that's why this is here. And if you want to like put something or for decorations, we can use this. And we got a whole lot of junk, which we are going to make this junk into a doll's house. Now you might be wondering, how can I make a doll house with this? Well, actually, with these tools, we can make a doll house. So, like this. We decide. So let's start. So let's get the scissors and let's see what we got first. So, friends, we are making the doll's bed now. So, we are going to put tape sticker around the bed, just like this. So we got it open. It's quite a bit hard and difficult to make this. So let's put this on, just like that. So we have created the box. Look how cool it looks. Not the box, the bed. We will continue building more of the doll's house. And look at this, a nice little pillow that we made out of junk. We will get some tape and then put it there, and then we're going to take off that tape, but there's still tape because this is magical tape. Oh yes, it looked like a comfortable bed to me. I'll sleep if you ask me on this bed. Perfect. So let's cut this and make the thread of the bed. Just like that. It looks so cool. And then we take some tape, put it here, there, and then we stick it. Just like that. Oh my god, that looks so lovely. It looks like scissors eating the paper. Nom, yum, yum. I want some delicious paper. I just had glue for just a thought that maybe we need glue and maybe we don't. This looks amazing. I can't wait for this to finish. This looks so cool that it finished in 10 seconds. Perfect. So now we're going to move on to the next furniture. We're going to make a dining table and a chair. Put the same thing on this. So let's make the dining table. So this is a perfume box that we are making a table out of. It looks really, really cool. Looks like a perfect dining table to me. Then we're going to cut a little bit, but not the whole thing, because we need space to put it in. So now it's time to make the chairs of the dining table. So let's cut this cardboard that is also junk. I don't know how to make a chair out of cardboard, but I'm gonna try my best. Okay, I think like this. Oh my goodness, I'm making a long chair here, ladies and gentlemen. Good thing I have scissors. going. Okay, I just smashed the chair and how come it's still fine? This tree is very good that I made. Wow, looks so cool. So let's put it right next to the dining table. So somebody can come and like, this is delicious. I'm gonna sit on this. So we are going to make another chair with this cardboard right here we have, like this. So we're going to put this right here. So we have to make 3 chairs in total, and next thing for the furniture we're going to make the sofa where you can relax and watch your TV shows, okay? This is what we're going to use as a sofa, okay? So it is very simple to make this. So we just take it in the hand, just like this. And then we just place it right here, just like that. But I'm gonna need tape. I know. So we're gonna put this on like this. Back, the front, the back. Let me give you a really close shot of it. Actually, this is not junk. This is actually, you can make something with this. So I'm gonna make something. Just wait until you see what I'm gonna make. It is really, really cool. Guess what I am making? Did you guess it? Yes, it's a heart. So we're going to put it there. Perfect. Next thing, we're going to make a cupboard out of this. And we're going to put green wrapping paper like this. So let's put it on it. Oh yes. So it is off. We're gonna put it here. Perfect. And stick it in. And we're gonna cover it up just like this, like a wrapping present. Sorry, I sounded weird that time. Let me tell you what I was trying to say. I was trying to say, this looks so beautiful. Okay, well, it actually looks like a present, but actually, no. Perfect. So let's make the door. And always use a adult's help. Just like that. Perfect. Let me show you. It is a real door. You can open it. See? You can open it. And keep it open. Let me just open. See? You can even store things in here. There's enough room to store a motorbike. Just kidding. So we are going to decorate this beautiful masterpiece. And we also got some more decorations like this. Gonna put also dots, flowers, and cool more stuff. Oh, I just put those there, and then I just realized these spots looks like handles to open the closet's doors. Put one last decoration right here, and let's press it hard so it doesn't get off. Perfect. And we're gonna move this aside to the bed, and our last project that we're going to make with cardboard or paper is a dressing table. So we're going to make the dressing table, and then the video ends, okay? So we got the things to make the dressing table. So let's cut it. Perfect. It looks like a perfect dressing table to me. So we got a box and we're going to stick this on it. Perfect. We're gonna put tape first. Then we're gonna put the last few spots. And then we are done. But I guess that's it. We are going to make a mirror like this. Going to cut it apart. See, and mirrors are so invisible that you can barely see it. Oh, now I know what I'm thinking. I'm gonna do it the opposite way. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and there we go, boom. So taking the picture of this cardboard so we can put the doll. Gonna put it at the back. Perfect. Put it there. So guys, we're gonna put the dressing table right here. Look how beautiful it looks. And if we come here a bit of a side, we can see we cut out the shape of a bigger doll. So now we are going to put it in a very good place. Okay? Perfect. Okay? So I guess that's that. Look at all of the good looking furniture we made with cardboard, paper, and if you come here, we've made a closet, a bed, a picture, a dressing table, and a bit here we made a sofa, we made 3 chairs, and we made a dining table. So we're gonna decorate by putting dolls. So this big mommy doll is gonna be right here. Perfect. And then this little baby doll, hello, is gonna sit right on the couch. Like that. And got another baby here that will sit here. And we got some small Lego action figures that we're gonna put, and perfect. And then we also got Black Widow. Hiya. Just kidding, I'm just here to eat something because I am hungry by eating things. I mean fighting people. So let me just sit down on the chair. Just like this. And oh, I want to do some makeup. Let me go to the dressing table. Perfect. Exactly what I want to be. Oh, I'm feeling sleepy. I want to take a rest. Okay, that's it everyone. Bye everyone. Subscribe to my channel. Get Fun and Learn. It's free and easy to subscribe to my channel. Bye everyone. Subscribe to my channel. Get Fun and Learn. It's free and easy.